Hello and welcome back. Hope you are all doing well. Today I have another shirt unboxing for you guys. This one is from Nordstrom. With that being said, let's get into it. Now I opened this up and took out my receipt before I started to record. And today we have a Nordstrom shirt. This is actually part of their own line. It's just called the Nordstrom line. They have a few different lines. Let me get the box out of the way and let's get into the unboxing. Now the shirt is 100% cotton. The full retail price of the shirt is $69. Hold on. But of course we don't pay for retail price here, and we got it for, or I got it for $34. You have to be careful undoing these shirts due to these needles, and it's very easy to poke yourself with these. And there are quite a few of them holding together dress shirts like this. And there's one in the color. Let's take a look at the cuff. And it has removable collar stays. They're plastic, but hey, it was $34 on sale, so I mean, really, what do you expect? I think that's everything. Let's get into the try-on. Now, the shirt is 16.5, 34, 35 trim fit. Now, trim fit is just what Nordstrom called their slim fit for this line. It is 100% cotton, machine washable, and dryable in the dryer on the low setting. The full retail price of this shirt is $69, but I got it on sale for $34. And quite honestly, I think $34 is a much better bang per buck. Like I've said before, don't pay full retail price on pretty much anything you can help. Instead, try to find a sale, try to find a coupon, and get it then. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.